I was reading online that you were 17 when you started working. You were, and it's all started with Farah Khan, assisting Farah Khan, and
I
uske
started
pehle
assisting her,
background dancing
yeah.
happened. But while people say that they've always talk about Tujhe Yaad Na Meri Aaye, I think there is also Gori Gori that you were a part of.
Professionally started dancing with me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then she went on later to become an assistant.
Then I joined Farah ma'am as a dancer.
Yeah,
Then
so
I left.
from background dancing to joining Farah ma'am, how did that transition and that journey happen?
Nothing actually. Look, I really needed the job. I needed to keep working. I needed the money. Whatever made that happen. So when I got to know that he was looking for a dancer, Lonji, a very renowned choreographer today,
Of Jai Ho fame.
fame, at that point in time was dancing with him as well. So he said he's looking out for a girl if you are interested. So that's how I got recommended to him. So when I was working, it was all about word of mouth. If I did well here, he would say, यार मेरे साथ एक dancer काम करती है. If you'd like, why don't you try her out? So that's how. So I started dancing, and then at one point I got an offer saying that, do you want to choreograph? So from dancing, I jumped directly to choreography with Ken Ghosh because he was doing a lot of videos. After a point, I realized
Ken Ghosh actually got to where because you were good looking, so he just
that
got
too. But then you realize as you're shooting the videos that you don't know the technicalities as much and you don't know how to really choreograph because you've never worked as an assistant with anyone. So then I went back to Farah ma'am and I said, in 96 when he was doing Boogie Woogie, I joined her back as an assistant. कि थोड़े और पैसे चाहिए मैम, थोड़ा और कुछ कर लो.
I was watching a podcast with Bharti Singh sometime back and उसमें आपने बोला था कि while she loved you a lot, बहुत डांट भी पड़ी है
वो
आपको.
हर किसी को पड़ती है, whether she loves you or she doesn't love you.
Yeah.
डांट तो पड़ती है.
But now she started vlogging also. How is your equation today with her? And are we going to see you also? हाँ, हम आपको भी उनके vlog पर देखने वाले हैं जल्द.
I already finished my bit with her. बहुत पहले. But look, she hasn't changed over the years.
और फराह की डांट में मेरी डांट में फर्क है ना.
बहुत ज्यादा.
हाँ, वो कलरफुल डांट है उसकी.
सब बहुत कम हो गया है अब तो. लेकिन गुस्सा तेवर वही है. Then also she was like that only today also. She's like,